with all the respect that my people from Brazil deserve from me, but who the hell approved these Air Jordan 3s? Like, what is this? Man. For real, if you're not from Brazil, because this shoe is inspired in the Brazil's national football team, man, if you're not from Brazil, how are you gonna wear these shoes and make them look good? Because if you can, congratulations, cuz you're gonna have to do a hell of a job to make these shoes look good. Because what I'm seeing right here, me, being one of the biggest Air Jordan 3 fans of all time, did I take it too far? I don't know, but I consider myself to be one of the biggest Air Jordan 3 fans. So the fact that I don't like these shoes at all, that have something to say. Cause these colors right here together, if you're not from Brazil, man, I don't know what you're gonna do with this, for real. What are you gonna do with a shoe that looks like this? With all these colors together. That all of them together is just a mess for me. Like, what is this? Again, I'm not trying to disrespect people from Brazil. All I'm saying is that looking at the shoe as a regular shoe, just another pair of Air Jordan 3s, it's not looking good. The color combination of the shoe is doing way too much. All that blue, all that pink, man, looks like they put some strawberries, blueberries, and any kind of berry, and then shake it, and now we got these. I don't know, man. I don't know. Probably in a nightclub, the shit will look kind of good. If you're in a carnival, festival, or something like that, you can do something with the shoe. But as a regular one, nah, guys. Sorry, but nah. I know Nike's trying to do something special for my people from Brazil, and that's totally respectable. And I'm sure if you're from Brazil, you're going to enjoy a shoe like this, or probably it's going to happen the same thing that happens with the Jordan 3's Dia de los Muertos. What's the name of those? Those were super cool in my opinion, but the shoe was sitting even in Mexico. And this one looks even crazier. So if you're from Brazil, let me know if you love the final result, if you love the product, the colorway. Do you like this? Because if you're not from Brazil, I think it's gonna be super difficult for you to like a shoe that looks like this. It's the fact that the shoe is doing too much, but it's throwing me off about the shoe. Or it's probably the fact that I haven't seen these shoe in person yet, because I haven't seen them in person, and sometimes shoes looks better in person, and this one is probably one of them. But I don't think so. I think the shoe is simply doing too much. I'm gonna try to get the shoe to give you a review, a in-hand review of the shoe, because there's probably something that we can do with a crazy shoe like this. But I need to see the shoe in person, see how's the quality of the shoe, even though it doesn't matter if a shoe like this have premium quality. This is a shoe that is gonna be super hard to save, because I think this one is doing too much. Even the biohack looks better than this one. But that's only if you're not from Brazil. But the same date that this shoe is releasing, that's gonna be next week, I'm gonna go for a pair of Air Jordan 3, but not these. These Air Jordan 3s on Father's Day, best father in the world, actually. Yo, that's a beautiful shoe. That's a beautiful shoe. And I wanna see those in person first. I haven't seen those yet, but images of these Air Jordan 3s, best father or something like that, these are looking hella nice in pictures. Probably in hand, they look different. But I'm liking what I'm seeing right here on these Air Jordan 3s. What's the name of these? Let me know. But the Brazil ones, for me personally, they're not doing it. I can call these, as a person who's not from Brazil, one of the worst pairs that I've seen. With all the respect to my people from Brazil, remember that I'm talking just as a sneakerhead, talking as a person who, in order to get these shoes, I will have to spend my money. I wouldn't spend my money on a shoe like this. Not for a personal shoe. Just nah. I think Nike should have released this one as a Brazil exclusive, just in Brazil. Well, yeah, we got people from Brazil right here too, just like me, that I'm Dominican and I live here. I don't know, but we'll see. Guys, let me know your opinion about this Air Jordan 3's Brazil. Do you like it? It's just me talking crazy. I don't care. It's my opinion, and I'm gonna stay with that because I'm not feeling it. But let me know yours, guys, in the comment section. Remember, this is just talking about my opinion from my perspective. I understand that people from Brazil, they can like the shoes, but probably not, because in my opinion, they could have done a way better colorway or color blocking for these shoes. They just look way too exaggerated or something like, I don't know. Just let me know your opinion, guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. Leave a like if you appreciate the job that I'm putting through to give you all these sneaker content, and if you want to see more of what I do. But outside of YouTube, make sure to follow me right here on my Instagram, JasonJKick02. Thank you guys again for watching, and till the next one, goodbye.